are watching today's Kaleidoscope.
A is for apple, juicy and red. A is for ant, marching ahead. B is for bat, to hit the ball. B is for ball, bouncing so tall. C is for cat, with a soft purr. C is for car, going fast for sure. D is for dog, wagging its tail. D is for drum, making sounds that prevail. Let's sing and learn from A to Z. Words and sounds, come sing with me. Big and small, near and far, phonics fun, you're a shining star. E is for elephant, big and strong. E is for egg, where chicks belong. F is for fish swimming in the stream. F is for flower, a gardener's dream. G is for giraffe, reaching up high. G is for grapes, a snack to try. H is for horse, galloping around. H is for hat, stylish and round. Let's sing and learn from A to Z. Words and sounds, come sing with me. Big and small, near and far, phonics fun, you're a shining star. I is for ice cream, a cold sweet treat. I is for igloo, a snowy retreat. J is for jar, holding jam so sweet. J is for juice, a refreshing drink to beat the heat. K is for kite, flying in the sky. K is for kangaroo, hopping by. L is for lion with a mighty roar. L is for leaf, green and galore. Let's sing and learn from A to Z. Words and sounds, come sing with me. Big and small, near and far, phonics fun, you're a shining star. M is for monkey, swinging on trees. N is for mushroom, growing with ease. N is for net, to catch and play. N is for nest, where eggs safely stay. O is for orange, round and bright. O is for octopus, hiding out of sight. P is for penguin, waddling on ice. P is for plane, soaring so nice. Let's sing and learn from A to Z. Words and sounds, come sing with me. Big and small, near and far, phonics fun, you're a shining star. Q is for quail, a bird so small. Q is for quilt, cozy for all. R is for rabbit, hopping so fast. R is for rocket, blasting up at last. S is for ship, sailing the sea. S is for sun, shining on me. T is for tiger, with stripes so bright. T is for tree, standing in sunlight. Let's sing and learn from A to Z. Words and sounds, come sing with me. Big and small, near and far, phonics fun, you're a shining star. U is for umbrella, for the rainy weather. U is for unicorn, in stories we treasure. V is for van, driving down the lane. E is for violin, playing a lovely refrain. W is for watermelon, sweet and cool. W is for whale splashing in the pool. X is for xylophone, making music so fine. X is for Xerus, in the desert it dines. Y is for yak, with fur so thick. Y is for yo-yo, doing its trick. Z is for zebra, with stripes black and white. Z is for zipper, zipping up tight. We sung and learned from A to Z. Words and sounds, all filled with glee. Big and small, near and far, phonics fun, you're a shining star.
Subscribe for a kaleidoscope of joy. Let the adventure begin.
A is for apple. An apple is a juicy fruit that grows on trees. It can be red, green, or yellow, crunchy to eat. B is for ball. A ball is round and bouncy for playing games. You can throw, kick, or catch it with friends. A cat is a soft, furry pet that says meow. It loves to nap and chase toy mice. D is for dog. A dog is a friendly pet that barks woof. It wags its tail and loves to play fetch. E is for elephant. An elephant has a long trunk and big ears. It's huge and gray with strong, stompy feet. F is for fox. A fox is a clever wild animal with a bushy tail. It sleeps quietly and has orange-red fur. G is for grapes. Grapes are small round fruits that grow in bunches. They're juicy and purple or green to snack on. H is for honey. Honey is sweet, sticky syrup made by bees. It's golden and yummy on toast or in tea. I is for igloo. An igloo is a house built from blocks of snow. It keeps people warm in very cold places. J is for jelly bean. Jelly beans are tiny, chewy candies in bright colors. They taste like fruit and hide in Easter baskets. K is for koala. A koala is a fluffy gray animal that climbs trees. It hugs branches and eats eucalyptus leaves. L is for lemurs. Lemurs are playful monkeys. monkeys with long striped tails. They leap through trees and live on an island. M is for marshmallow. Marshmallows are soft, puffy treats that melt in your mouth. They're white and squishy, perfect for toasting. N is for nest. A nest is a cozy bowl made of twigs and grass. Birds lay eggs there to keep their babies safe. O is for orange. An orange is a citrus fruit that's round and bright. Peel it to find juicy slices inside. P is for penguin. A penguin is a black and white bird that can't fly. It waddles on ice and swims in cold oceans. Q is for queen. A queen is a kind ruler, wears a sparkly crown. She lives in a castle and helps her people. R is for rocket. A rocket is a powerful machine that zooms to space, blasts off with fire and stars on its sides. S is for star. A star is a twinkly light in the night sky. It's far, far away and shines like a diamond. T is for tiger. A tiger has orange fur with bold black stripes. It's a big, strong cat that roars loudly. U is for umbrella. An umbrella keeps you dry when rain falls down. Open it up, it's like a roof you can hold. V is for van. A van is a big car that carries lots of people. It has sliding doors and takes families on trips. W is for watch. A watch is a little clock you wear on your wrist. It ticks and tells you the time all day long. X is for xylophone. A xylophone is a musical instrument with colorful barbs. Tap it with sticks to make happy ding-dong sounds. Y is for yak. A yak is a shaggy animal with long horns. It lives on cold mountains and gives warm milk. Z is for zebra. A zebra looks like a horse with black and white stripes. It gallops on grasslands and munches on grass.
Subscribe for a kaleidoscope of joy. Let the adventure begin.
Apple is for apple, crunchy fruit that grows on trees. It can be red, green, or yellow to eat. B is for ball, fun and bouncy for playing games. You can throw, kick, or roll it with friends. C is for cat, furry pet that says meow. It loves to nap in sunny spots all day. D is for dog, friendly animal that wags its tail. It barks woof and loves to play fetch. E is for elephant, huge with a long bony trunk. It sprays water to take a bath. F is for frog, green and hops on lily pads. It says ribbit and catches bugs with its tongue. G is for goat, has horns and says bow loudly. It climbs rocky hills and eats grass. H is for horse, runs fast with the flowing mane. You can ride it or give it crunchy carrots. I is for ice cream, cold sweet treat in a cone. It melts in the sun and tastes yummy. J is for jaguar, big cat with spotty fur. It prowls in the jungle and is very strong. K is for kangaroo, hops high on two strong legs. Its baby rides in a cozy front pouch. L is for lion, fluffy fur called a mane. It roars loudly to talk to its family. A is for monkey, swings by its tail in the trees. It loves bananas and makes ooh sounds. N is for nest, cozy twig home for birds. Baby birds hatch from eggs inside it. O is for orange, juicy fruit you can peel. It's sweet and bright like the sunshine. P is for penguin, waddles on ice in a tuxedo suit. It swims fast and slides on its belly. Q is for quail, small bird with a feather crown. It hides in tall grass and says caw-caw. R is for rocket, zooms high into outer space. It blasts off with fire and smoke. S is for star, twinkles like a diamond in the night sky. It shines far, far away from Earth. U is for umbrella, keeps you dry when rain falls. Open it wide like a colorful roof. V is for van, big car that carries lots of things. It's like a room on wheels for trips. W is for watermelon, giant green fruit with stripes. It's juicy and pink inside with black seeds. This is for xylophone, makes music when you tap its bars. Each colorful bar sings a different note. Y is for yak, hairy cow with curly horns. It lives where it's snowy and gives warm milk. Z is for zebra, black and white stripes like pajamas. It runs and herds on grassy plains. Sing together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs.
Subscribe for a kaleidoscope of joy. Let the adventure begin.